Hey crazy bartenders, welcome back to the another exciting and interesting session on pouring. Free pouring with measuring of liquid is very important. There are many pouring styles, out of which we will learn 5 basic pouring styles. These steps helps in pouring all the liquids in front of guest. Bottle should not slip while pouring and pourer should be in good condition. With these pouring styles, we need to pour correct quantity. Important notice for you guys. Whenever you pouring the drink, the bottle label should be visible to the guest. See. Here we go guys, there is an important note for you. We will learn how to set the pourer on the bottle. This is called pourer and this is called stopper. When bottle logo towards the guest side, we need to place the pourer stopper right side. And if you are left hand, it will place left side like this. Now I am a right side, I am placing a right side, stopper right side, and I am pressing pourer inside the bottle. When you are removing the pourer, make sure guys, just we need to hold edge of the neck and pourer rubber this one and rotate the bottle like this, it will comes out. I will show with one more bottle. See, we need to grab here like this and rotate it, it will comes out. Just remove. Cheers. Now I am going to show free pouring. Before practicing free pouring, first we need to practice with peg measure. While pouring drink in peg measure, just count in your mind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my count, 10. And practice without peg measure, same speed and same height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And check it, either it is coming or not. Cool, perfect. Same like that, 30 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And without peg measure, practice without peg measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cheers. Now I am going to show again. See, it is reduced. When liquid will reduce, adjust the height like this. And check it again. Now it came. Whenever it not came, just practice with peg measure, continue 5 times or 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4. When you're done with peg measure, go with without peg measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again check it, either it is coming or not. Yeah, perfect. Make sure guys, when we are pouring the drink, bottle should be straight like this and label visible to the guest, and adjust the liquid reduce and increase with the height. We need to practice pouring till we pour correct quantity. This is perfect. Cheers. Now we will learn pouring styles. This is slide cut. First we need to grip straight grip and pour. Bottle should be straight and cuts towards inside. How we are on and off bike key, same like that. On and off, on and off. Pour straight and cut. Pour straight, outside to inside cut. This move can be performed with both the hands. Same like how we done with right hand, same like with left hand. Pour straight and cut inside. Pour straight and cut inside. Like this. Cheers. Now I am going to show SWAT cut. For this move, we need to grab straight grip and pour, lift it up, just twist the pourer towards upside, like this. When we are pouring middle of the shaker or glass, just twist it towards upside and cut. This is called SWAT cut. Now I am going to show slide cut and SWAT cut at a time. Slide cut with left hand and SWAT cut with right hand. Move looks like this. For this move, first we need to learn slide cut with left hand and SWAT cut with right hand and perform at a time. Like this. Now I am going to show zigzag pouring style. Cheers. Now I am going to show how to practice zigzag pouring style. First we need to grab the bottle and shaker reverse grip like tennis grab, and below the left hand we need to take right hand below the left hand and pour into the shaker. Just rotate your left elbow towards right to left and cut, and rotate clockwise, cut. Move looks like this. Now I am going to show with liquid. Cheers. Now I am going to show Lotus pour. Now I am going to show how to practice Lotus pour. For this move, first we need to practice this zigzag like with left hand also. Start from left towards right and again turn to left. Same right hand also. Start from right to left and left to right. Like this. When you complete this step and go through with single flip left hand and pour. Single flip left hand and pour. Make sure guys, when you're performing this move, bottle should below the left hand, and when bottle turn towards right side, take single flip shaker and pour. Cut and pour. Now I am going to show with liquid. Cheers. I will show jerk pouring style. Super cool move. We'll learn how to practice jerk pour. First, we need to grab the bottle reverse grip, and lift the bottle straight. Lift it, and when you cut in, make sure bottle should be like this angles. Cut towards back side. Lift the bottle and cut towards back side. Now I am going to show with liquid. Grab the bottle reverse grip and pour. Lift the bottle and cut. Final moves looks like this. Now I am going to show magnet pour. Cheers. Now we will learn magnet pour. First we need to grab the bottle body reverse grip like this and lift the bottle above the shoulder like this and practice this one like this and catch this shaker with the help of bottle neck and press to the forearm here and press to the forearm. Catch and press with bottle neck. Catch and press. Once you've done this move, just pick up the bottle and catch the shaker with bottle neck and press to the forearm. Now I am going to show with glass bottle. Moves looks like this. To enhance the pouring, we make a sequence with Flair. Hey bartenders, successfully we have learned basic Flair bartending and sequence. Always ensure safety and practice in a controlled environment before performing in front of guests. Become perfect by practicing 2 to 3 hours for 45 days and you become a professional Flair bartender. Thank you. Cheers.